Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple photos in your Instagram story. You can also check our other tutorials about Instagram if you are a beginner. So let's get into it. First, we have to go on your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Then click right here on your story. You can see there is a little blue plus. Then click right here in the bottom left corner. And as you can see, if you just click on the photos, it adds only one. But if you want to post more than one photo, you have to click right here on select multiple, on this icon. Select your photos. I will choose these three. Click next. And this will add your photos in different posts. If you are happy with that, click next. But now I will show you how to post and add multiple photos in one story in one post. So click again right here in this corner. Then click on just one photo. Then tap right here on stickers. And if you want to take a photo right in this moment, click right here on the camera. Or if you want to add more photos to your story from your gallery, tap right here on the plus. Then tap on one photo. Now tap on that photo and you can move it and place it wherever you want, or even make it bigger or smaller. And that's it guys, I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please smash the like button, comment down below your thoughts, and the most important, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye!